What have you ordered for Chirag?
Paneer pizza.
Paneer pizza.
Yes.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mohini. We are here at Domino's today. Domino's was his wish, Chirag's wish, right? He
Yes.
wanted to come here, correct?
Yes.
Yes, so we are here at Domino's to have his pizza. And which pizza did we order? We ordered for which one?
Paneer pizza.
Yeah, paneer. He wanted paneer as topping with
Paneer pizza.
yeah, with cheese burst, no? Yeah.
Yes.
So this place is located at Sakchi and we are now waiting for our pizza. तो हम हमारे नंबर पे हमारा ध्यान है पूरा. So the number is 210. So we are waiting for our number right now. Right? Chirag, who is giving us this treat? Who?
What?
Who is giving us this treat?
Me.
You are giving this treat, liar. Mausaji. Mausaji is giving this treat. Say thank you to Mausaji. Say thank you.
Thank you, Sakchi.
Yeah, good boy. What happened? Chiru, what happened?
I'm see a pizza.
You're seeing your pizza? Okay. Ask that lady. कब बनेगा हमारा पिज्जा? Ask her. Thank you. Wait.
Yeah. हमारा pizza comes.
Wait, I'll open.
Wow. Zoom in, zoom in.
Yum
zoom in.
yum yum.
Yay! So we've got so much paneer, Chirag. Wow, cheese burst. Enjoy. Come, Devansh, you also have. How is it?
Have the proper piece.
How is it? How is it? Okay, let's take this bite. Wow, look at this. So cheesy. So hot. So hot. Mmm. It's very hot, huh?
I want this.
Garam hai.
I want to.
This is just the beginning. The pizza was for the kids and now we are going to Balaji, which is again located at Sakchi area, and we'll be having our dinner there. So my mom is waiting for us. We'll be having some nice dosas and some Punjabi dishes. So let's go and enjoy the food.
बाकी ऑर्डर भी आ रहे हैं।
एट मम्मी क्या बोली?
बाकी हो गया।
बलून जैसा लग रहा है।
लक्ष्मी वसी अगर आप खा लिए ना
Wow, look at
वर्ल्ड
the
रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा
bhaturas.
इतना बड़ा खाने।
Look at the size of the bhaturas.
अगर कोई वीडियो बना के ना
मम्मी क्या बोली तो? क्या बोली? कैसा लग रहा है? बलून.
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड वाला लोग तो ये पहुंच गए ना, तो ये सबसे बड़ा रिकॉर्ड।
Wow. So after a long time I'm having these bhaturas. Look at the size. This is like a proper ball. That's what my mom called. No, my mom said that this is looking like a balloon. Yeah, actually. So here I go. It's served with some chole, some sweet chutney and some raita. Let's enjoy this. My mouth is watering. Oh God. So that's the bite. Superb, my favorite. Bhaturas are perfect. They are crispy from outside and very soft from inside. And they have made it perfectly by adding some curd, and that makes it the perfect bhatura. And this chole is so flavorful. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah, this I am liking.
This is my favorite chole bhature. Oh, wow. Yummy. Sweet chutney. So good. And the raita. The raita has got some grated carrots and cucumber. Wow. This is the perfect combination, and this is the combination that I have known since my childhood days or my school days. Bhaturas with chole, some sweet chutney and some raita. And that makes it the perfect chole bhature. Yummy. The chole is very spicy, but इसका flavor इतना अच्छा है. I'm just loving it. After 1 year, I'm back to Jamshedpur and I'm enjoying the food here.
Excuse me.
So not just that, we've ordered for some paneer also, some paneer dish. So this was, I think, paneer butter masala, correct? So yeah, that's paneer butter masala and some naan. Let's try this. The gravy is thick. Outstanding. What flavors? So they have used tomato gravy for this, and it is out of this world, really. So happy to be back. The best part about this place is once your chole gets over, which is going to happen because it's so yummy, you get a refill of it. So that's so amazing and that's so generous. Had an amazing dinner. So after our school was done, we used to directly come to this place. The way of serving has not changed. The taste has not changed. So yes, enjoy the dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.